Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I want to show you the common mistake some beginner they can make in the component placement. So after making schematic diagram, the next thing is component replacement. So if the component replacement is so bad, even the routing is bored, even you don't know anything you did, even you increasing the noise, if you have to pay attention on the component replacement. So the first mistake some people they can make, when you look here, this capacitor is coupling capacitor. So imagine when you take this coupling capacitor and then you're connecting so far on this IC. The function of this capacitor is to protecting this AC, and then this chip you put in this coupling capacitor so far. It's like this resistor and this lead. This resistor is the protection for this lead. And then imagine when you're putting this resistor so far, what you make is some people, they in the component replacement, they don't care on this thing. So like here, let me show you. For example, when you click here and then I say that this where I need to check where there is you see it's near this chip. So imagine when you put this capacitor on this brace, the first thing you're creating the noise because you're putting the long wire from here up to there. You have to care on this thing. The second thing, the second mistake the many people they can make when they're making the component replacement, the second one is this one: to put the coupling capacitor on different rare with the ace they protect. Imagine we still work on this capacitor. Imagine when you put this, you put on the AC on the top layer, and then you put this coupling capacitor on bottom layer. This is another mistake. You cannot do it again. If you do it once, please don't do it, because some people they say like, okay, I need to minimizing the size, then there's mounting both sides. It's possible to replacement board on top layer, on the bottom layer, but you don't care on this thing. So make sure you can do this mistake again. Another mistake you have to care on it. The third one is this one. Some circuit they have analog ground and the digital ground. So this some people they check on it. For me, like when you're looking on this one, on bottom layer, this one is ground. You see, all this one is ground. Look, this one, all this one is ground. So, but some people they say like, okay, let's separate analog ground and digital ground. This is another common mistake you make. And then you take one part, you say like, this part is for the part for the, this is the part for the analog ground, and this part is for digital ground. This is another mistake many people they did. So don't do it again. If you did it once, please don't do it again. The another another, the last one I plan to tell you today is this one. Sometime again, the MCU they need thyristor. So, and then imagine you putting a sofa. This is another mistake. You can do it. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. The first one, don't put coupling capacitor sofa. Please, know it, care on it. Don't do it again. So today's video, I think today's video is this one only. I need to tell you the common mistake you can do it in a placement. Another thing I can forget, don't forget to use this testing point. This testing point is very important. Don't forget it when making the piece, because you know, when you're designing, you need to measure the voltage. You need to measure. You need to check if the output voltage is available, if the battery is available. For me, you see, like I don't need to check. Why this? Because this one is socket for the power bank. I have to check. Okay, let me check how. I have to check the value for the output voltage. I have to check the value if the battery there is power, because there is a lot of things. I have to check if this one is a indicator red, if there is power on indicator red. So don't forget to putting the testing point. Know it. So if this video teach you anything, don't forget to make subscriber on the channel and share